Hi, this is Laura from Feeling Fabulous. So today's topic is, where do I get my protein? That is a major question I get every single time I talk about a plant-based diet to my patients. It is a legitimate question, but people don't understand that the biggest animals on the planet are plant eaters. Where can we get our protein? Does it always have to come from meat or fish? No, actually. The best sources of protein come from edamame, beans, lentils. So you can get 18 grams of protein in 1 cup of lentils versus 6 grams of protein from 1 egg. There are many different sources of protein that you can get that are actually coming from plants. You wouldn't imagine how much protein are in plant-based products. Edamame, 1 cup boiled, would be 17 grams. Black beans, 1 cup cooked, 15 grams. Almonds, 1 ounce, 6 grams. Peas, 1 cup boiled, 5 grams. 1 baked potato, medium, 5 grams. Spinach, 1 cup, 5 grams. So you can get all your protein from green leafy vegetables, legumes, and nuts. Those are the best sources because you're also getting phytonutrients with it. You're not getting the type of cholesterol that you're getting from meat, and you're getting a lot of fiber because we really do need more fiber. We're hardly eating any fiber in our diet. So in terms of the amount of protein that you get from meat, 3 ounces of chicken does give you 25 grams. However, there's no other types of nutrients, there's no fiber, and I don't really know a lot of people that are satisfied with 3 ounces of chicken. And also 3 ounces of steak is 25 grams. But again, lots of cholesterol, lots of saturated fat. Not many people eat 3 ounces of anything. They're eating at least 6 ounces. The problem with meat is that they're eating it every single meal. So 1 cooked egg is 6 grams of protein. Salmon, 3 ounces, 20 grams. But you're getting saturated fats. You're not getting fiber. People don't tend to get full as easily, and because the majority of their plate is protein, animal-based or fish-based, they're not getting any fiber because a very tiny portion of their plate, less than 1/3 of their plate, is actually a grain or fiber of some sort. And that does not help the scenario, especially with your gut. So the next question patients ask is, how much protein should we eat? Because as Americans, we think that eating more protein is better, and the more animal meat we eat is better. And that's actually contradictory, because the more animal protein we eat, the worse it has on our cardiovascular system and our kidneys. It's actually really hard on our kidneys when we're eating a lot of animal meat, and people don't understand that. They don't understand why, a lot of us get kidney disease, just chronic kidney disease, where our kidney function decreases. Our functions do decrease with time, all of our functions. That's part of the problem. However, the other issue is we're adding to it. So the next question that I get from patients is, well, how much protein is too much protein? Will I get enough protein? The problem is we don't really need as much protein as we think. The Americans' diet, unfortunately, the way we've been raised with the media is that more protein is better for you. And that's completely contradictory. Actually, the more protein we eat, especially in meat form, is worse for us, especially with our cardiovascular system and our kidneys. So we get a lot of kidney disease. We just don't even understand why, as adults, our kidney function decreases so much. And then patients want to know, well, what can they do about it? And you tell them, well, you need to decrease how much meat and animal meat you're eating along with fish. And they have a hard time understanding that they just are not going to get enough protein. So the amount of protein that we're supposed to eat really is your weight in pounds divided by 2.2 is your weight in kilograms. And then you multiply it by 0.66. Like a 125-pound person is only supposed to eat about 38 grams of protein. But the average amount of protein that we're getting is double. It's double in the form of animal meat. That becomes a bigger problem. A 175-pound person should be eating 52 grams of protein. However, we're eating anywhere between 96 and 120 grams of protein. A 225-pound person should be eating 67 grams of protein, but they're actually eating 122 to 153 grams of protein. So you see, we're actually doubling the amount of protein we need, which is really hard on our systems in terms of other diseases that it's actually causing.